Want to practice Arabic writing? In this video you will write words that contain the letter Saad. Are you ready? Let's start. In this lesson, we will introduce the letter Saad. The letter Saad isn't equivalent to any of the English letters. However, Saad is close in pronunciation to the letter S, but with more emphasis. Saad is pronounced like S, as in soul, sun, or submarine, but makes the S sound heavier. Now try to write it with me. You will find everything you need about the letter Saad. Let's see the three basic voweling signs when used with Saad. First, here's the Fathah. The pronunciation now will be Sa. Next, this is a Kasra. The pronunciation now will be Sli. And finally, there's a Dammah, it, now pronounced as Su. Listen again. Sa. Sli. Su. Now, let's practice writing and pronouncing these basic voweling signs. When Saad is written with Fathah mark, the pronunciation now will be Sa. Try to write it with Fathah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Sabr
Means patience.
Sa. Bi. Ri. Sabr.
Now let's join these letters together.
Sa. Bi. Ri. Sabr.
When Saad is written with Kasra mark, the pronunciation now will be
Sli.
Try to write it with Kasra mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
Siyana.
Means maintenance.
Si. Ya. Ya. Na. Hi. Siya. Na. Siyana.
Now let's join these letters together.
Si. Ya. Ya. Siya. Na. Na. Hi. Siya. Na. Siyana.
When Saad is written with Dammah mark, the pronunciation now will be
Su.
Try to write it with Dammah mark. Let's write words using this letter. Please take your pens and pencils to write with me. Ready? Let's begin.
صحف.
Means newspapers.
ص ح في صحف.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص ح في صحف.
The letter
صاد.
has four possible positions: isolated, beginning, medial, and end. Let's write them. Let's handwrite the isolated form. Here is how to write the beginning form. Like.
صحن.
Means dish or plate.
ص ح ني صحن.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص ح ني صحن.
And next.
صبي.
Means boy.
ص بي ي صبي.
Now let's join these letters together.
ص بي ي صبي.
And next.
صحة.
Means health.
صي صح ح ح ه صحة.
Now let's join these letters together.
صي صح ح ح ه صح ح صحة.
Here's how to write the middle form. Like.
نصر.
Means victory, triumph.
ن صي ري نصر.
Now let's join these letters together.
ن صي ري نصر.
And next.
فصل.
Means chapter, or class.
فصل. فصل.
Now let's join these letters together.
فصل. فصل.
And next.
قصر.
Means palace.
قصر.
Now let's join these letters together.
قصر.
And next.
صلصة.
Means sauce.
لي. لي. صلصة.
Now let's join these letters together.
لي. لي. صلصة.
When those exception letters come before the letter
صاد.
it will be written in the middle of the word. Like this. For example.
أصل.
Means origin.
لي.
أصل.
Now let's join these letters together.
لي.
أصل.
And next.
وصف.
Means a description.
في. وصف.
Now let's join these letters together.
في. وصف.
Here is how to write the in form. Like.
نص.
Means text.
نص.
Now let's join these letters together.
نص.
And next.
فحص.
Means examination.
ف ح ص فحص.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف ح ص فحص.
And next.
قصص.
Means stories.
ق ص ص قصص.
Now let's join these letters together.
ق ص ص قصص.
When those exception letters come before the letter
صاد.
it will be written in the end of the word. Like this. For example,
فرص.
means opportunities.
ف ر ص فرص.
Now let's join these letters together.
ف ر ص فرص.
And next.
غوص.
Means diving.
غ و ص غوص.
Now let's join these letters together.
غ و غو. ص غوص.
And next.
لصوص.
Means thieves.
ل ص صو و ص لصوص.
Now let's join these letters together.
ل ص صو و ص لصوص.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.
Don't forget to like this video. If you need any help, please leave a comment, and I will be glad to answer your questions.
Learning with Eman. Free Arabic course.